How to add watch video button in Facebook page to connect and drive traffic to YouTube video. So let's begin the video. In Facebook page, you need to click this three-dotted horizontal more option. In this menu, you need to click Add Action button. Next, in the pop-up window, click this Try It button. From these action button, you need to select this Watch Now option and continue. And in this field, you need to add your YouTube video link. We need to copy the YouTube video link from YouTube site. Next, paste the YouTube video link in this video field. And finally, click the Save button. And done setting the Watch Now button under the Facebook page. Now let's confirm the Facebook Watch Now button is linked and drives traffic to YouTube video. And done successfully. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.